All right, this is part 9, I believe, Sightseeing with Dignity, Human Rights Art Series Artwork 56 in progress, parody satire about the graphic text design website and hard copy of Kaiserr-Perminentay and Kaiserr-Perminentay of Washington. Here's the drawing, which is going to fit in this frame here, which I am now plain wood frame. I bought at a Goodwill store, and I'm going to be artifying it. I just glued on this piece of wood in the bottom here. I'm going to have kind of like some sort of glass eyes in there. And I'm also going to be attaching this wood, which I'm going to be also adding glass and metal. And that's going to be mounted on there. All right, to be continued. Stay tuned. Thanks for your input, Budgie Wudgies. Good singing, good singing. They're fans of 98.1 King Classic Radio, aside from music CDs they put on.